Hey guys, let's talk about corollaries now, how to understand what exactly corollaries are. Before we can start, let's talk about curves, what exactly curves are and types of curves, and try to solve this small table, alright? Look at this. Let's say that closed curves. What exactly are closed curves? Simple definitions, we learned this in our lower classes. Let me just rewind it for you. Closed curves are all those curves which you can start and finish at the same point. That's a closed curve. You can say ellipse is also a closed curve. Anything which starts from some point and ends at the same point, right? And basically I should not even lift the pen, right, when doing that. So that's a closed curve. And what is an open curve? Open curve is like it's got two free ends, right? So let's say this is an open curve. This is also an open curve, all right? Very simple. It can be this also. That's an open curve. It's got two ends which actually don't coincide. That's it. Cool. What is a simple curve? Well, a simple curve is something which does not cross over each other. For example, this is a simple curve. In fact, this is a simple curve, all right? It can be something like this. This is a simple curve again, or this is a simple curve. The only idea is it should not cross over each other, all right? The two lines should not cross. That's it. Now look at this. If you talk about a non-simple curve, it can be like this. That's a non-simple curve. Why? Just because it is crossing, all right? It can also be like this, all right? Not exactly this guy. So it should actually cross over it, okay, like that. So that's a non-simple curve. It's just because it's crossing over, right? It can be like this. Exactly. This is a non-simple curve. Now, based on this knowledge, let's talk about this table and try to solve this guy. Now, I can see that this guy, it's got two open ends. Now it goes into open curves. That's it. It can also be a simple curve or an open curve. All right. Just because it is not crossing it is a simple curve, and since it's got two open ends, it's an open curve. So I can go back to this guy. See, it can be simple closed curve. Definitely, this guy is not a closed curve because it is not finishing at the same point. Then a closed curve that is not simple. This guy is not a closed curve also. All right. Because it is not ending the same point. So again, simple curve that is not closed. I can say it is this guy, all right? It's a simple curve definitely because it belongs to the first guy. Yeah, this guy, simple curve, and it's also not closed because it is not ending the same point. So I can write the first guy belongs to this thing. Very nice. Then this I can say very simply. It's a simple closed curve, all right? Say is it a closed curve? No. Look at that, that's a closed curve. Even this is a closed curve. Why? Because it is not crossing it and it is ending at the same point. Look at that, like this, right? So this can be a simple closed curve. I can say I'm marking it in this guy. Good enough. The fourth one, we'll come back to the second guy, but the fourth one says it is definitely closed because it is ending where it starts, right? It is closed and it is also crossing. It means this is closed also and it is not simple also, all right? So we have a not a simple curve, don't forget that. Then a closed curve definitely is a closed curve and not simple again. So it is this guy. Definitely the last guy left out, this guy is not a simple curve just because it is crossing. So now we understand. It's pretty simple, right? So have this knowledge to solve this thing.